Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make someone moderator on TikTok Live. TikTok allows its users to add moderators before starting live streaming on the app. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and tap the plus button on the main toolbar. Choose the live option at the bottom of the camera screen. Find the settings icon on the right-hand side of the screen and click on it. Press on the Moderators section in order to open it. After that, hit the Add User icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now select a user that you would like to make a moderator and tap the Add button next to it. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make someone moderator on TikTok Live. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.